I remember the day my doctor said the words that would change everything. Knee replacement surgery. It felt like a promise, a flicker of light after years of crawling through pain. I dreamt of simple joys, walking through a park, dancing, getting out of bed without wincing. "You're in good hands," the surgeon told me. His confident eyes made me believe him. I thought I was getting my life back. I was wrong. The surgery was supposed to be routine, but weeks later, something felt wrong. A slight fever, a burning heat around my knee. I went back to them. Ask for help. "It's normal," they said. "Part of the healing." They brushed me off. They didn't listen, but the redness spread. The swelling turned into agony. My body was screaming, but the doctors were deaf. The call came at 2 a.m. Another surgery. Emergency. "We need to remove the implant," the surgeon said coldly. "It's the only way to save your leg." Save my leg? I just wanted to walk. I woke up in a haze. The implant was gone. My independence was gone. Instead of dancing, I was in a wheelchair. Instead of freedom, I was trapped in a room for a year, staring at the ceiling, wondering, why me? Depression is a quiet killer. It sat with me in that wheelchair. I looked in the mirror and saw a ghost, a victim. But then, anger woke me up, not just for me, but for everyone else they might hurt. I realized my silence was their safety. If I didn't fight back, they would do this to someone else. So I made a choice. I wiped my tears, and I called a lawyer. The trial was a war zone. My lawyers warned me. It will be ugly. They were right. The doctors, the ones I trusted, sat across from me. They didn't look sorry. They looked annoyed. They hid behind legal jargon. They blamed my body. They blamed me. She didn't follow protocol, they lied. It was a pre-existing condition, but I came prepared. I had the records. I had the dates. I had the truth. When the judge read the verdict, the room went silent. Gross negligence. Admission of guilt. A settlement that forced the clinic to change their safety protocols forever. I didn't cry. I finally breathed. Winning didn't fix my leg overnight. There was no magic wand. Just work. Pain. Sweat. Tears. Learning to stand again. Learning to trust again. But every step I take now is mine, not theirs. Listen to me closely. If you have been a victim of medical negligence, do not stay silent. They count on your fear. They count on you giving up. Don't let them. Get the documents. Get help. Fight. My story isn't about pain. It's about power. I fell, but I got back up. And if you are in that dark place right now, you can get up too.